All right. So my name's Kip. Just finished my Sinatra project for FLatiron School. We were supposed to do a Pages web app using Sinatra, and also making sure that we had a belongs to and has many relationship, as well as sessions and secured password. So we needed to have members that could see data, but only be able to edit and delete their own. And then also that their passwords were coming in secure. So let me go ahead and share my screen. I have this up and running right now. Shotgun is running, so you should see the welcome to the D&D party. So we see is a home page, a little bit of navigation help up here. It allows you to, let's make sure we're logged out. Allows you to try to see the all active players. You're not allowed to unless you log in. But what if you're like, hey, I've never been here before, so you have to go back to home. And let's sign up. So what's our username gonna be? So let's do Dinjarin. Write that down. Dinjarin. Do a password and sign up. Boom. So now that you're signed in, you can check out all of the preloaded players. Now these are all part of your active party members, but they belong to other players. So you see that you got good old Gannicus over here, but doesn't belong to you. So you can view what Gannicus has, but you can't edit or delete it. So what this shows is we need to actually create our own character. So we're going to go on an adventure. It's like we got a bunch of humans here. So let's create, you know what? Let's do Chewy. He's a Wookiee. It's a homebrew. It's a homebrew D&D campaign, so we'll have extra races, right? He's gonna have a magical bow and brute strength. He's an ancient creature of unknown origins. That sounds awesome. So you put all that in, create your character. Boom, you are now part of the party. But if you notice, you do have the edit character button. So you go to that. It's going to allow you to update or delete character. Let's just update without doing anything. Yay! So just going to show you that he's from unknown origins. And then say you're like, oh, your DM's like, no, you can't be that guy. We need to stick to the book. Just click delete. It's going to go ahead and get rid of all of that. And you come back and you don't have your own character. So sad. So let's say you're going to leave. You're like, I'm done. Okay. So another thing that was a little bit of a bonus is error message. So say you wanted to sign up and you were just like really excited and you're like, sweet, my name, let's go. And it's going to be like, no, you can't do that. Let's go back, sign up. No, you can't do that. I forgot. I actually took that error message off of the sign-in page. That's kind of funny. Let's go back to our code. Controls. No, that should be working on why that's not working all of a sudden. So we put can't, but nothing's in the sign up. Should give us an error message. Why is it giving me this? Again, this happened with my FLatiron. Let's try this little trick here. No, it's doing that. So it's not going to want to do that. Let's try this little trick and see if that works. If not, username and not error. Boom, else. And let's save that. All right, let's see if that works. Let's reload this, type our name in, and sign up. Boom, now it works. That's crazy. So what I did there, and I'm hoping this is popping up. For some reason, the .empty is not working after I added the authenticate on my login. You can see up here, I had an error message for login as well, but now that we just figured that out, I can actually come back in and add that error back in if I would like to. And instead of doing empty, we just do the exclamation point, which means like if there is no user .username or no user password, so one or the other is missing, you're going to get this error message right here. That was really interesting. I don't know why .empty isn't working now that I have authenticate. So yeah, let's try it let's see if the password works. With no name, see if it gives us the right one. Uh-oh, so that let us sign in. That's not a good thing. So now we have crazy data going on. Let's do an and. Let's log out. Debugging is always fun. Let's try to sign up with only a password. Boom, okay, sweet. So now we're getting the error message. So I had to put the and in there so we don't have a bunch of people without usernames, so we can't authenticate them. That would be bad. Go back to party members. Can't because you're not logged in. Let's log in as Ace Windu. Let's see what character he is in our little horror party. I believe he's Ezra. He is Ezra. He's playing the human Jedi. Awesome. So that is the little DM character guide that everybody can use. The DM can use it to see who's out playing. You can log in, see what changes have been made. People can update their as they level up or buy stuff, just become in an update for everybody to see. So it's in front of everybody. It's pretty cool, really, pretty kind of straightforward. I didn't do a lot of stylizing on this. It was mainly getting used to some of the new techniques that you get to use through Active Record. I hope you enjoyed that little run through. I'll go ahead and stop sharing now. And thanks for tuning in.